Alright, so let's start. Hello everyone, you are tuned into Goglides Dev, your hearty sport for all things IT. If you are not already part of our thriving www.goglides.dev community, what are you waiting for? Hop on. Today, we are cranking off the cool question as we unravel the mysteries of Explainable AI or XAI. Ready for the big reveal? Let's dive right in. In an age where AI systems are making critical decisions from diagnosing illnesses to approving loan application, it's vital for us to understand why they make the decision they do. Let's kick things off with the why. Why do we need explainable AI? Well, think about this. You are unwell and visit a doctor. You wouldn't accept the doctor just saying you are sick without any explanation, right? Similarly, as AI systems become more integral to our daily lives, it's essential that they can clearly explain their decision to users. This transparency builds trust and allows us to verify and validate the AI's decisions. Now onto the what exactly is XAI or the principle of XAI part. Explainable AI aims to make the decision-making process of AI systems clear and understandable to human beings. This involves providing comprehensible interpretation of how the system works, which enables humans to understand the system and build trust on the system. Ever been in a new city without a GPS? That's what using AI without explainability is like. Navigating blind. We need XAI to give us directions, to shed light on the dark alleys of AI decision making. It's our AI compass. Imagine you are using a dating app powered by AI which promises to find your perfect match. It keeps suggesting profile of people who are into, let's say, rock climbing, and you have a crippling fear of heights. You would want to yell at the app, why on earth would you think I would like this? This is where XAI could swoop in, offering insight like, well, you did like the post about the movie Free Solo. Maybe the match suggestion is not perfect, but now you know why the AI is making the decision on what basis. Or think about a self-driving car making a split-second decision. You wouldn't want to be in the passenger seat, clueless about why it suddenly swerved or braked, right? XAI equips the car to explain there was a cyclist coming from the left, so I applied the brakes. The crux of it, XAI is about bringing AI out of behind the curtain, transforming from a mysterious trickster to a transparent ally. It's our guide in the wild, wonderful world of artificial intelligence. It helps us trust the AI, validate its decision, and even improve its performance. Because, after all, wouldn't you trust a friend more if you knew their thought process? I would trust the enemy, believe me, and not only my friend, if I know the thought process. But where is XAI actually used? Ever seen those spy movies where the tech whiz goes enhance and the blurry image like suddenly sharpens? That's the kind of magic we are talking about with XAI, but in a real life. XAI is about talking the blurred decisions made by AI and bringing them into sharp focus. Let's check out some of these plot twists in action. Imagine you are a business owner using an AI tool to recruit new team members. The AI consistently rejects candidates who seem perfect for the job. It's like lock without a key, right? But with XAI, the AI becomes a treasure trove of insights. This candidate does not have experience in project management, which is crucial for this role. XAI is the key that unlocks the why behind AI decision. Or picture a medical scenario where an AI system is used to diagnose disease. A doctor inputs the symptoms and the AI suggests pneumonia. But why? XAI allows the AI to justify its diagnosis. The patient's symptoms include fever, chest pain, and difficulty breathing, which are common signs of pneumonia. How about a banking application, where an AI algorithm decides whether you are eligible for a loan? Without XAI, a rejection could leave you scratching your head. But with XAI, the AI might explain your credit score is lower than our threshold and your current income does not support the repayment plan. What XAI brings to the table is not just a smarter AI, but more cooperative, transparent, and user-friendly one. It's all about changing AI from an enigmatic wizard to a helpful sidekick in our everyday adventures. Alright folks, time to rev up your DeLoreans and get those flux capacitors ready, because we're going on a ride to the future. The future of XAI, to be precise. Imagine stepping into a world where AI is like your best friends, always there to offer you insights and explanation. Every decision made by AI is crystal clear. There is no more guesswork, no more because I said so. You have got a personal AI assistant for your finances, and it not only suggests the best stocks but also tells you why it chooses them. That's the key important, why it chooses them. You are a doctor. You have got an AI system at your side. It helps diagnose illnesses and explain the reasoning behind each diagnosis, backing up with insight with the actual data. You understand exactly why it's suggesting a particular treatment, right? So that's the main goal here. You are a teacher and an AI helps you tailor your teaching methods for each student, explaining why certain methods work better for certain students. It's like having a co-teacher, sideway, right? Sidekick, who understand each student inside out. In this AI power feature, XAI will be more than just a trend. It will be a necessity. The need for transparency and trust in AI will drive its growth, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Companies and researchers worldwide are already investing heavily in XAI, creating methods and tools to make AI as transparent as possible. This is just a glimpse into exciting world of explainable AI. Remember, the key to successful AI adoption lies not just in technology, but in trust. That's the key goal here, and transparency also as well. Keep an eye on this space, because XAI is certainly a game changer in the world of AI. Stay tuned. See you in next video.